Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Armor 21, and today I will show you how we can put this device into Bootloader. So, to get started, you will want to turn off your device by holding the power button and volume up at the same time. And from the options, you want to select shutdown twice. The phone will turn off, and when it does so, you want to hold again power button and volume up at the same time. And this should enter, oops, let's try that again, Bootloader. There we go. Now, for some random reason, sometimes when you let go of the buttons, it exits this mode. And in reality, it shouldn't, considering power button isn't really used to confirm as the volume down. So anyway, and here you're going to use volume up only to navigate through the three options which we have, and bringing it super close, I can see what we have right here. So we have first one, recovery mode. Again, bear with my shaky hand. Next one is Fastboot mode, and normal boot being the last one. And if I start pressing volume up, you can see it just jumping through the options. Now once you have the option selected that you want, which I will select the last one, normal boot, you can confirm it with the volume down. And let's quickly check if power button does anything. Nope, doesn't seem like it. So press volume down instead. No, there we go. Actually, considering how long it took, I'm not actually sure if power button does anything or not. But in any case, once you confirm this, the device will reboot and then boot back up into Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.